Hi, I'm Harish Goteti. Thanks for stopping by to watch this video. This is my channel, and this channel is about business, technology, and personal growth. And today's topic is about personal growth, which is my favorite topic. Personal development, personal growth is my favorite topic because that's what got to where I am today. And I'm going to share you some stories on how it all really helped me. And in personal development, my topic for today, or what I want to talk about today, is one of the universal laws of success. It's called law of belief. Yes, there are laws of success. If you are not aware of it, I strongly recommend you learn about them. I pay attention to 21 of them, but there are more. But you really need to be aware of these laws of success. These are things that you don't go against. Like, for example, law of gravity. It doesn't matter whatever you believe in. If you jump out of a 10-story building, you will land dead, right? So that is a law. So similarly for laws of success, these are laws, and the more you work with the laws, the more successful you will be. And today's topic is law of belief. So what law of belief says is that whatever you believe with feeling becomes your reality. Or in other words, it also says that you don't believe what you see, but you actually see what you already believe in, which is really powerful, and it really caught my attention long time back. So I'm going to share some stories on how law of belief really impacted my life. And why I'm sharing this is because as a small business owner, the biggest challenge when I speak with them, with small business owners, is about scaling or growing the business is all about belief. They don't, most of them don't really have a problem with the belief, because they don't think they can scale their business, they don't think they can grow their business, they don't believe that they can be the next big thing. So today I'm going to share some examples of my career, or how law of belief came into or helped me to get to where I am today. Let me share the story so you can relate it to it, or you can really understand. You can look back into your past and recollect some of your success stories where law of belief came in. So early in my career, or when I graduated my college, actually much before my college, I was a failure in high school, so I didn't pass math in my high school. So people think I'm not like fit for things that I want to do. But honestly, what I believed is I like technology, so I did a computer course, and what I believed is if I am good at the computer course, I can land a job after graduation, irrespective of my failure during my high school. So that's my belief at that time. And I didn't know that I'm believing or whatnot, but I mean, that was too early in my career. And like it happened, yes, I was very good at technology, and I passed with 90% plus in my computer course, and I did get a job after graduation. And it was a small job. It was a tech support role, consumer tech support. But whatever it is, I got a job because I believed that I'll land a job, right? So that is the first instance that I can recollect about law of belief. The second instance that I can recollect about law of belief is when I moved from consumer tech support to enterprise tech support. So I believed again that if I do something different, if I learn more technology, I can qualify for enterprise tech support. And I did some Windows certifications and etc. I don't recollect, but I did get into a job at CA Technologies, which changed my life. And I was with them for a very, very long time. Right, almost till 2017. So from 2005 to 7, that's a long time. So I joined and I got a job in enterprise tech support because I believe that doing something can get me there. And again, that's the second instance. So the third, here's the best part. So the third one is, so a lot of people, when they join in enterprise tech support, they think their career choices are limited. And I mean, if you're not into tech, you don't really understand what I'm saying, but this is what happens when you are in support. They believe the choices are limited. You can't get into development, you can't get into sales, you can't get into different things. So they think the choices are limited. But what I believed, again, the law of belief is, I can, if I am really good at tech support, I can really get into implementation or services. And also so that was my belief. Okay, when I know this product in and out, I can really go on site and implement this. So that's the third instance that I can really recollect about law of belief. And yes, I moved from support to services, implementing the product that I was supporting for US clients. I was traveling to US and implementing it. So again, law of belief, right? So there were like multiple instances that I can recollect, where law of belief came in, because from services I moved into development, QA, I became a software architect, and finally I was an architect for a very, very long time. My internal title when I came out was, even though the H1B visa title says system design architect, but internally I was marked as a distinguished engineer. So the entire career progression happened with one thing, which is nothing but law of belief. It really helped me. It really helped me earn a ton of money, honestly, because I believed that I can earn a lot. I believed I can move to the US irrespective of my past. So I spent 6 years, close to 6 years in the US before I came back to India. So finally the recent law of belief came in. Is law of belief worked on my favor. Is I said I can start a business, right? So, and I strongly believed it, and I moved back to India. I started a business, right? And then again, the law of belief is I can really build a consulting company and help small businesses scale. So that's the belief that I am working on right now. And I started, and I already have clients whom I'm helping. So as you see, law of belief is really powerful, and unfortunately, most people don't. The reason they don't get to the next level is because of their self-limiting beliefs. And I really think the biggest gift you can give to yourself is the law of belief, believing in the law of belief. Right? So yeah, start understanding these laws of universal success, universal laws of success. And as I said, the law of belief is a very big thing. You don't do anything until you believe in it. For example, I think I shared this in one of the other videos, where I said I don't take action if I don't believe. For example, if I want to say I want to compete in Olympics and and beat Michael Phelps' record, right? That is impossible for me to believe, and I won't believe, and I don't believe, so I don't take any action towards it. So everything starts with the belief in your mind. So law of belief is very, very powerful. And if you are a small business owner, and if you are struggling, working 80 hours or 90 hours a week and struggling to scale your business, I really recommend you inspect your beliefs. So is it something that, what are your beliefs? Are you believing that you are the only person who can do the job best? For example, this happens with a lot of specialists like accountants, doctors, lawyers and people like that, and also consultants. They think they are the only best people on the planet to do their job, which is not really true. You can delegate that, you can hire people to get it done. So if those are the things that are stopping you from scaling your business, I think you have to start inspecting law of belief and improve your belief system, so that you can take that next step. And when you think you're ready to take the next step to scale your business, don't forget, just click on the link below, and it will take you to my homepage, where I'll explain how one of our wonderful technologies called KissFlow digital workplace can help you transform your business in less than 7 days. So click on the link below, description section, to understand how you can scale your business. And this, as I said, this channel is about business, technology and personal growth. I'll post a lot of content around it, so subscribe to this channel so you'll learn a lot about how to grow your business, how to tweak your personal, how to start your personal development journey so you can grow your business. I hope this video is helpful. Again, law of belief. And so again, if you believe what I said is true, then you will follow, right? Again, law of belief. So as I said, law of belief works everywhere. So start working on it, eliminate your self-limiting beliefs, and you are destined for success. Thanks for watching.